Hello friends, it's Danny here, and today I am stopping by to share 3 cards that I made with 1 paper pad, 1 stamp set, and 1 die set, which is something a little bit new for me, but I had lots of fun with it, and I can't wait to do more. I started out with this not too shabby Cup of Flowers 6x6 paper pad. I had it out on my desk after making the last couple videos in my Craft Fair 2024 project series, and it's just so pretty, so I decided that I wanted to use that. So that is the paper pad that I used. I did bring in the Colors of Spring sparkle dots from Not Too Shabby because I just love them and I just thought they went well with it. And then the die set that I used is My Favorite Things Blueprints 13. This is long retired, but I thought it would be fun. It had a lot of elements, and I thought it would be an easy die set to kind of do this with for the first time, since I haven't. Typically, I make multiples using 1 stamp set, 1 paper pad, and 1 sketch. So this was just a little bit different to have the die set. And then the stamp set that I used is the Anya combo kit from the Greeting Farm. This I kind of looked and I didn't see anywhere that still had it, but I thought it would be fun to use. So my first card that I did is probably my favorite. I just love how her hair turned out. I think I've mentioned I'm working on training myself to start with the darkest markers and then go to the lightest. And this right here shows that contrast really comes through when I do that, when I remember it. And I was just so pleased with it. And so it says, "Be happy." And then I did decorate the inside as well, and even the envelope. So there is that one, and you can see those sparkle dots there. And yeah, that hair. And for those of you that use Copics, I used R08, E19, and E59. That is the color that I used for that hair. The next one that I did is this cutie. I love her oversized sweater, and it just says hello. And then on the inside I have that, and I also have an envelope for her. Like I said, I just love her sweater. And there's another element from that die set, the banners. So cute and so fun. And then the third one that I did is this little gal. And I think I've mentioned as well, I'm trying to do more patterns. So I really just kind of dotted it with the colors and then added the white gel pen. I thought it turned out super cute. And then on the inside, I have For You. This is a cover-up. I have been trying some different inks, and the ink that I used smeared all over, so I re-stamped it and then glued it over it, and then I used some white gel pen to cover up the rest because it was a big hot mess. So I think she's adorable, and she has a matching envelope as well. So there are the 3 cards that I created using 1 stamp set, 1 paper pad, and 1 die set. You can see elements from that die set and all of them, like the different banners and the sentiment strip there, the circle. It was really fun to tackle it a different way. Like I said, typically when I've done this in the past, I've used 1 sketch. And so it was fun to not have the sketch and to just kind of make my own cards. But having said that, I do enjoy a sketch. So I am excited to keep trying different things, making multiples using like the same supplies, but it's funny how they can all turn out looking so different. So that is what I have for you today. Until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye now.